The pilot at the controls when Emirates first lifted off in October 1985 was PIA flight captain Fazl Ghani. We caught up with the retired pilot in Islamabad, where he kindly shared his memories of that historic flight.
On the 25th of October, the first flight of Emirates was to operate from Dubai to Karachi. Cabin crew were trained at PIA Training Center. We were received by PIA at Karachi Airport. We were short of uniform, short of P-caps, so the pilots used to quietly change their caps behind their back.
Fazl has followed Emirates' incredible 30-year journey with interest and is proud to have played a crucial role in the story.
I was blessed to be part of a very competent professionals to lay the foundation of Emirates. When I look back the history of Emirates, there are a few things which I always talk about. To select a team of professionals, give them responsibility with authority and with no interference from outside in their official work. That is the secret of Emirates. I want to wish Emirates a happy 30th anniversary and look forward for another fantastic 30.